Hey, Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. What I got here is an Atlas C40-8W Horsehead NS, to which I added Tsunami sound, and an MTH SD70M-2, to which I updated the flash code so it can be consisted. And I have these two engines consisted together right now. And so why don't we go ahead and take a look at these guys running together. I don't have all of the CVs set to have all the functionality go through with the consisting, so what I'm doing is I'm just running the lighting separately, but that can be done. And that is valuable. Now you can run these big beasts with anything else. And that should make a nice NS consist. Both of these will be up on eBay as separate items, but if you wanted to, you'd be able to. You see what I mean? There's the lighting, but if I had them consisted together with the fully consisted together with the functionality, the lights would be off on the dash 8W, but that's nothing. Other than that, that's pretty fantastic, I think. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just write me an email or write me a comment in the comment section. All right, bye.